Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on gold versus the dollar monthly, this move down is very strong, but I'm still looking at that as possibly a correction to this move up. I do think that this triple top is not going to hold. I still think that it's going to break out and eventually go up, probably to the $2,200 and maybe even a lot higher than that. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last push up. I am still looking at this move down as a correction, especially with how overlapping it is. We are at the 78%, possibly an area where we could end. It very easily could go down to the 88.5. Gold does seem to like that 88.5 area. So I wouldn't really say that this is confirmed to be over yet, but I still think there's a good chance eventually it will make a higher low, and just keep on trending up like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily, definitely a very, very odd pattern, but to me it looks like a trend, and then this is a trend also, so I think this is a running flat. I think this is an A. I think this is a B, which did make a lower low, and I still think this is possibly an ABC. So I still think this is an ABC of B, which I think the wave B is like a running flat, and I think this right here is possibly a wave C. Like I said, it doesn't have to end here. It very easily could go down to the 88% before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it's pretty clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. We do have a 3, 4, 5 here, but I think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. I still think that this move up is possibly a wave 4, and that we are possibly going to go down for a wave 5. So for me, I don't really think this downtrend is over. Maybe the 78% will hold the wave 5 and then it goes up and breaks structure. Maybe it goes down to the 88%, but either way, all I really care about is trying to go short again at the end of the next correction for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this whole push down, which I think is a wave 3. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for 3 waves up. So I think it's going to probably end up doing something like this for some sort of an A, B, C shape. So maybe an ABC of 4, then an impulsive move down with a break of structure at a Fibonacci retracement level is exactly what I would be looking for my next sorting opportunity for the wave 5. So if you do trade on these sort of time frames, you could definitely be looking for longs to trade the wave 4 to the up to the 38 or the 50%. But the trades that I would definitely primarily be looking for is shorts for the continuation of possibly a wave 5 of wave C on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.